Hello guys, good morning once again. We're back at gym. Today is Sunday. Today we're gonna do a squat jump, and later I'm gonna show you some tips. Probably you can start with a squat jump right now. Okay guys, once it is done, oh again, nobody's in the basketball guys. Look at that guys. Okay, tips. If you do squat jump, make sure you have the proper form, and it's up to you how many pounds or weight if you put into the barbell. Mine, including the barbell, put some weight, so probably that's around 50 to 60 pounds, and you have to be aware guys what you're doing. And second thing though, make sure you go to the gym target your goals and what specific you need, like a lot of variety of definition. If you go to the gym, one, if you improve your cardio, you can do that. Strength and conditioning, you can do that. You can be lean and mean, you can do that as well. And if you want to go bulkier or bigger, it's up to you. My goals is just the on strength and conditioning, because everything is there guys. And now one more set. Okay guys, that's the last set. And I've noticed that one lately, whichever gym I go, most of the guys they do all upper body. They don't have the lower body. If you go to the gym, make sure you have to be equal and balanced. If you do upper, lower body, chest, back, whatever, you have to do your body parts as well. And good afternoon Canada, good morning Philippines. Thank you for watching. See you next time guys. Peace out.